Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how you can install Oracle 12c Enterprise Edition on Windows 10. To install this version, you have to go to the Oracle website oracle.com, and from here you have to go download Oracle Database 18c, which is the latest version of Oracle now. Okay, from here you have to accept the license agreement to download any software from this page, and you must have an Oracle account to download the software. So after selecting this option, you can choose any version that you want to install on your computer based on your computer configuration, and Oracle Database 18c is latest here. Here I am choosing Oracle Database 12c Release 2, and the size of the zip file is 2.8 GB. So if you click on this link, then the download dialog box will appear and you can download the software. I have and at the time of download it will ask for your username and password, so you must open an account in this site to download these files. I have already downloaded this file, and this zip file will be downloaded after clicking on the link. And at this stage you have to unzip this, and after unzip I have got the folder, and folder name is Win641220 database. Just click on it and again click on database, and here you can see there is a setup file to start the installation process. In this step you have to click the setup.exe file to run the installer, and here click on yes. In this step you have to wait for some time to open the next dialog box. Okay, when the install starts, then this screen will appear, and you have to set up some configuration to start the installation. Okay, in the first step, installation option, here you have to set an email address that you want to use for future Oracle support, and must enter a valid email address here. And if you want to extra security updates for your Oracle database system, then you have to check this box and set the support password here. I am not using it here, so just uncheck it and go to the next option. Okay, here a dialog box will appear. Connect in this step, connection fail, and you have to set the setting here by selecting Oracle Support Hub and click HTTP localhost. Okay, and make this checkbox uncheck and click on continue. Okay, in these steps it is showing three options. I will choose create and configure a database and click on next. And here there are two options here, desktop class and server class. So in this step click on desktop class and click on next. And in this step as an Oracle home user, you can choose any of these four options: virtual account, existing Windows user account, or you can create totally new account or any Windows built-in account. If you want to create a new account, then you have to set a valid username here. And if click on it, then you can see the help or hints of this field, and at the time of creating password you have to Remember to set password using uppercase, lowercase and any special character. Okay, if these are okay, then the user will be created. Okay, our new user account is created here, and the next step will appear now. Typical installation steps, you have to configure the default database setting. Default database name is ORCL. Now it is in step 6 and verifying the other configuration to start the installation. Now it is in step 7 and all the setting is okay. Now you can start the final installation step and click on install button, and in this step you have to wait for long times based on your computer configuration disk size to complete the installation process. Hope you will able to install the Oracle successfully after using this tutorial. Thank you.